Hello everyone, so for today's tutorial you will be learning how to create a function that shuffles cards, playing cards. Now I got this from OCR. It's one of those programming projects, and it's about Louise creating a card game for 2 players. However, I'm only gonna show this part of shuffling the cards. Okay, so we start by saying import random. Now this will allow the program to generate random numbers. Okay, because it's a function, I'm gonna put it into define a function. Okay, define, then I code shuffle. Okay, now under this I would like to create a short list, and it will be let's say colors. Okay, is equal to, we have our list there. We have red for R. Okay, we have red, green and blue. Okay, so next we're gonna make random cards. Okay, so I can say cards is then equal to, it's gonna be equal to brackets. I put quotations. Now outside of it, I'm gonna format everything inside the quotations, so it's all made to look like the same format. So I can say random, curly braces, because that's a variable, and then another set of curly braces. Now inside it I say random dot rand int. Okay, and I'm gonna set from 1 to 30. Okay, because in the paper it says 30 cards. Okay, and then I say here that random dot choice, you're gonna make a random choice, and where will it be selected from colors. Okay, random choice, and it's gonna be chosen from colors. So that's what it is. Okay, what we do now, we are going to then display this. Okay, we're gonna say print card. Let's call it card. Yeah, print card. So now I call the function shuffle, and I play. You see 10G, that's our random values. Okay, it chose a random number, and the random number was 10, and the letter it got from the list is G, which is for green. Okay, so each card, remember, each card is unique. There's 15 red. Okay, and so on and so forth. All right, I hope you've learned that. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.